Takže ako všetci vidíte, nemám absolútne žiadnu kontrolu nad svojím tímom.
I'd like to start to thank the Slovak Tennis Association for receiving us. We've had a wonderful time. We arrived Sunday. It's been just been perfect. Everybody's been very, very kind, from our drivers to the people in maintenance at the courts, everybody, the staff at the hotel. We really enjoy your tennis center. We'd like to have one like this with the open roof. We've been looking at it, and something we're going to try to bring home and try to do in Montreal. That would be great. Dominika was really nice as well, because she came to us and she told us to go to a restaurant named Kogo in Bratislava. We went there last night. We had great steak. I found out today that you guys are one of the only top 12 countries to ever win Fed Cup. So well done for that. But I'll tell you, as far as food goes and steak, you're in our book, you're number one.
Takže v prvom rade by som chcel v mene kanadského Fed Cupového tímu poďakovať členom Slovenskej tenisovej asociácie za veľmi vrúcne a milé prijatie tu v Bratislave, počnúť s šoférmi, končiať s ľuďmi, ktorí sa starali a pripravovali tenisový kurt. Všetko zatiaľ prebieha absolútne perfektne, sme z toho nadšení. Taktiež sa nám dostalo milej povinnosti alebo milého odporúčania. Dominika bola taktiež ku nám veľmi milá, pretože nám odporúčila navštíviť reštauráciu Kogo v centre Bratislavy. Ochutnali sme stejky, boli vynikajúce. Ako už dneska bolo spomenuté, slovenský Fed Cupový tím už dokázal v roku 2002 vyhrať ako jedna z 12 krajín pohár federácie, ale pre nás ako milovníkov jedla ste v oblasti jedla naozaj jednotkou. Ďakujem veľmi pekne.
Did I speak that long?
Yeah, I made something up as always.
You're amazing.
Thank you.
No, you got to translate that.
No.
Well, hey, good luck to you guys, okay? And I'm sure it's going to be great tennis, and good luck to you as well. And have a good remaining for the evening. Thank you.
Takže obom týmam Takže na záver mi dovolte obom zúčastneným